Hello folks, welcome to today's step-by-step tutorial on how to deploy and manage identity for Unity Catalog. We will be creating an access connector for Azure Databricks that utilizes the system assigned manage identity. The access connector for Azure Databricks is a first-party Azure resource that enables you to connect manage identities to an Azure Databricks account. So let's dive in. Once you are logged into your Azure portal, click on create a resource, search for access connector, select access connector for Azure Databricks, click create, then again select access connector for Azure Databricks. Make sure you have a right subscription selected. I will be creating a new resource group. You can use an existing resource group if you want. Give it a name. Access. Select a region. I will be selecting Canada Central. Hit next. You can give it a tag name to organize your access connectors. I will keep it blank for now. Click next. Make sure the status is selected as on. Hit next. Once the template is validated, so as you can see the template is validated, we will hit create. It will only take less than a minute to deploy this resource. The deployment is complete. Click on go to resource. So our access connector is deployed. We will validate the identity. Click on identity. As you can see, this access connector is using a system assigned identity. Congratulations. Now this identity can be used to access storage accounts. I will cover up this in upcoming video. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, remember to show your support by liking and subscribing for more Azure Databricks related content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Looking forward to connecting you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.